CyberTrucks out there. There's one back there.
Now turn
Maybe
right.
we can get one of them. Please, let me have one.
So I'm at Tesla today for delivery. It's gonna be an awesome delivery day today. And there's so many cool cars here. There's so many CyberTrucks everywhere, but everyone loves delivery day. Out back, there's a bunch of CyberTrucks. So there's 2 CyberTrucks here for delivery. They look amazing. These don't have my name on it, but I wish they did. I wish I was taking delivery of mine. So I'm looking it over and the owner is right over there. He actually reached out to me. I'm gonna be wrapping this. This is not mine, I wish it was, but I'm gonna be wrapping this and then so you'll see that on the channel, but I'm hoping we can do some other stuff with it because they're starting to deliver these things now. And we got some cool events coming up. But we're gonna check it out completely, let Tesla know we're here, and then take delivery. Well, I'm not taking delivery. Who's taking delivery? So he just went in to check in. We're gonna go over the vehicle. He just has to sign a couple things and he's gone. That's the cool thing about these Tesla deliveries. People are picking up these things, they're starting to deliver them now. There's really no issues that I saw on this. The only issue I saw was this right here is up a little bit high, like, well, normal. On this side over here, it's a little low. So I'm sure they can undo that and lift that up a little bit, but otherwise it looks really nice. So you got the keys?
Yep.
You signed everything?
Yes, one signature, that's it.
That's it?
Yep.
And it's yours?
It's mine.
That's a lot faster than my deliveries have ever been.
How do you open it?
That's, you just push the button right there. First time being in one?
Yep, first one we've seen.
Nice.
One in
Well,
person.
first time seeing it.
In person.
So there's a lot of room back there. I'm 6'5". I sit back there, my head does not hit the glass. There's plenty of space in this thing.
Yeah. Seems similar but different.
I think it's just magnets right there, so you just yank on it.
My tailgate good to open?
You can open it. They didn't wash the bed, but that's all right.
I detailed my wide today by myself, so now
Oh,
I
did
can
you?
go home
Well, there you
and
go.
this one.
There's the charger. That's
Oh, it
good.
does come with the charger. Yeah. Put that on eBay.
It is different than the rest of them. It's got a little bit more of a cyber look, I think, to it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it is a little
I
different.
just did the new Universal one.
Okay.
In my garage.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You'll get that with this too. They'll send it to you.
They give you, oh, this is the mobile one.
Where's
and they're like,
Matt
just
at?
sign here. I was like, well, I have
Matt
some
went
questions.
inside.
Like, oh yeah, just sign here, accept it, and then they'll come out and talk to you. I was like,
Just go ask Brian.
I mean,
Yeah.
probably
Brian's,
easier.
Brian's
can
taking
tell
the
you
old
about-
car apart. Just ask him.
We'll see. I don't know.
Oh yeah. You have any questions?
I don't think so. I'm sure I'll have some, but I'll get some more look into the options.
Yeah, look at the colors. I mean, we can decide. I just have. It'll be the 6th. I'll have to order the film. Probably have to order the film by Wednesday. So you have a couple days to really think about the color. Wrap it, ceramic coat it, pick it up, and then congratulations again.
All the other stuff soon. All right. We'll be in touch then.
All right.
Thanks.
So while I'm here, I see a liquid silver Performance Model Y. This is really nice. Hopefully the sun comes back out. There's a couple clouds, but this thing looks amazing. It's almost like a PPF wrap. How smooth it is. Ugh. Curved wheels already? But that looks really nice. I do like this. Come on, son. So unfortunately not my Cybertruck, but I'm gonna have that car in a couple, well, really 5 days or a week, actually a week, and I'm gonna start wrapping that. I'm gonna show you that. I think he's picked satin black is the color, and I think it's gonna look really good on there. What else would you do with the Cybertruck? They're starting to deliver more now. There's 4 or 5 out back. There's one around the corner here, way over there. We just saw one drive down the road. And there's one here in... This is the service center. And I'm right here sitting for Mark H. Congratulations, Mark H. You're gonna get your Cybertruck probably today or tomorrow. This thing is all detailed up, really clean for you. But hey, if you're interested in wrap, let me know.